Hello again, everyone. Today I was able to get this two-color LED working with some transistors that I hooked up to my Arduino. And I'd been working on this for a couple of days, and it was kind of giving me some grief because I didn't really understand how transistors work. So I did a lot of research on the internet and kind of was able to figure out how to make it work. I wouldn't be good enough to explain it, but I was able to make it work for my project. So basically, what's happening here is with this two-color LED, when electricity flows through it one way, the LED is green, and when it flows through it the other way, the LED is red. And my goal was to be able to demonstrate with my Arduino how I could alternate current without having to physically move wires or use buttons. I could have the Arduino turn pins on and off and make current change direction. And so here, the LED is in kind of this like middle state. It's this yellowish color because both the green and the red are flipping off and on so fast that it's blending the color into this yellow color. You can see here in my code, there we go. There's like a 2 millisecond delay. Let's change these values really quick to something that we can see like 150. And we'll go ahead and upload this to the board. Okay, now if we look back, we can see how the light is flipping slower from red to green. And what's happening is over here with these transistors, one of them, they're both tied to ground, as you can see. The brown wire flows from one side of the LED to the transistor, and then the transistor's base is hooked up to one of the digital pins of the Arduino, because the digital pin will supply a positive voltage. So basically this is like a digital switch, this transistor. When the transistor's base receives the positive voltage from the pin, which in this case is blue wires wired up to pin 9, this allows the transistor to pass current from this brown wire to this black wire and feed it to ground, completing the circuit in the red direction. The same thing happens in the other direction. The green wire comes over here to this other transistor in the same manner, only the circuit's wired the other way, so the electricity passes from the positive 5 volts over here through the LED, through the brown wire, and then to the transistor. When the transistor here is on, it's able to dump and go into ground. And the program that I have up here running on the Arduino regulates which transistor is on at a time, ensuring that they're not both on at the same time, and it alternates between one and the other. So it was a good little experiment to figure out how these NPN transistors worked. I used NPN 2N3904 transistors, and I'll post the schematic. There's not a lot of code, but I'll post that up online too. My next little project will actually be interfacing this with a processing application to control the flow of current over a network and change this LED's color between red, green, or like the yellow color, and change the rates based on information that I pass it through through a processing program. And so we'll see how that goes. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good day.